welcome to my channel. I'm Kristen and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a decorate my 3-tier trays with me, or my tier trays. I'm so excited about this because it is super budget friendly, so if you guys want a tier tray but you think it's going to be expensive to decorate, I have some really great tips and shop at the Dollar Tree. So you guys, let's jump into the decorate with me. Video is sponsored by Skillshare, and if you haven't heard of Skillshare, it is an online learning community with thousands of inspiring classes for creators. And there's so many topics of classes you can take, including crafts, lifestyle, productivity, and photography. Skillshare is specifically for learning, so there are no ads and they're always launching new premium classes. I love that there is no ads, which makes it really great to watch these classes. So I saved some classes and these are some of my favorites. One of my favorites is Emily Henderson. If you guys haven't heard me talk about her, I love her. She's been a favorite of mine for a while, and she does style your space tips and techniques for interior design. And she has amazing tips for color palettes and trends to help with your home. I also really enjoy watching Brittany Joyner. She does a lot of beginning woodworking, and I just think the stuff she does is great. Her step-by-step tutorials are absolutely amazing. The things that you need, she is just really great as well. So if you guys want to check out Skillshare, the first 1,000 of my subscribers to click the link in the description box will get a free trial of premium membership so you can explore your creativity. So to get started decorating my 3-tier tray, I'm going to be decorating 2 trays. I have a 2-tier and a 3-tier, but I like to lay everything out. You're going to see a lot of things that are really familiar if you've watched my channel or my videos. I've done a lot of DIYs along with purchasing some items from Dollar Tree. I was trying to make this as budget friendly as possible, so I love to shop my home as well. So the Farm Sweet Farm Pig is from Hobby Lobby quite a few years ago, and then I'm just using some lamb's ear. This is 2 for $2 at Walmart. These cute little black houses are from Target, and you can always pick up really fun items like that after Christmas when it's 50% off. So they were really inexpensive. I want to say they're $1.50 a piece, or maybe I picked up a bunch for a few dollars. But anyways, that's always a really great time to shop, is after the holidays, and try to find decor that will work in your home all year long. So this little leather photo, or this decor piece, that is actually a DIY I used with faux leather and a Dollar Tree sign. And these cute little containers or canisters or decor pieces, the little black and white ones, those are recently from Dollar Tree, and I think they are so pretty. And I just took the lids off and added some greenery to both of them. This little Farm Sweet Farm goat, that is actually from More Decal and Decor, and I will link that as well. Also, these rolling pins, you can pick these up at Hobby Lobby for $3.99 for 3 of them. And then I just painted that one and then added some rub-on transfers from Dollar Tree. You're going to see quite a few DIYs. I made that little garland, or what do we want to call it? I'm going to call it garland, the little beaded garland with the goat. I picked that up, made that super cute. I guess I didn't pick it up because I made it. Farm Sweet Farm, that is also a DIY I used with a Dollar Tree item. I love those little galvanized signs, so anytime you can find them, pick them up because you can customize them to your liking. These little balls, these are from Dollar Tree. I think they are so pretty. The crate is also a Dollar Tree DIY along with these rolling pins. I redid these quite a while ago, and those are also from Hobby Lobby. And like I said, those are 3 for $3.99. They don't have the coupon anymore, so we don't get that option. You're going to see like some greenery in here. I picked most of it up at Walmart or Dollar General, and I love using boxwood. It just kind of fills everything up a little bit more if you need to add some greenery. This is what the 3-tier tray looks like when it is all finished. And if you are wondering where the tray came from, I picked this up at Hobby Lobby. Sometimes they have sales where everything is 50% off, or they're galvanized decor. So this was only $19.99, but I've had this, I want to say, for 4-ish years now, and it has held up great. So it's definitely worth paying the $19.99. But I really wanted this kind of in like the colors black and white and like greens, and I just think this fits where I put this in my dining room because I added some other decor next to it that was very similar colors, and I love having like a fun little color scheme.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are? What makes the sun go to sleep every night? And what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder.
The next tray is a 2-tier tray, and this is from TJ Maxx, and it was $14.99. And the little black and white house is from Target. And then I'm just adding some few DIYs in here and a bunch of items from Dollar Tree. So I picked up another one of those houses, and those, like I said, are just so cute. And I think I may have some in my Christmas decor. I cannot remember, but I'm pretty sure I have more than what I can find. And I just love finding ways to decorate on a budget with 3-tier trays, because you think that once you buy one of these, you have to spend a ton of money to decorate it, and you really don't. I only spend $20 and under, maybe, and especially if I can make things for way inexpensive, turn it around and sell it, turn around and just change out my decor. I know that I only spent $1 or so on each item, so I think that is a really great deal. And everything on the top you see is from Dollar Tree, and the little windmill was from Dollar General a few years back. And then I keep forgetting that this tray is a lot larger and I can add larger pieces, so I did end up changing and moving things around. I put a Rae Dunn clock in there, and this little galvanized piece was from Hobby Lobby. The clock was from TJ Maxx, and then that little pig house that you see down there, that was a DIY I used with the shadow boxes from Dollar Tree. I want to say like 3 years ago, but it is just one of my favorites. But you guys, that is it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below if you have a tier tray that you love decorating as much as I do. Also, don't forget to check out Skillshare. Like I said, the first 1,000 of my subscribers to click on the link in the description box will get a free trial or premium membership. But that is it, you guys. If you're new, I would love if you consider sticking around and subscribing. That is it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!
Makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. How come the trees gets undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes? Until winter comes, until winter comes. It really makes me wonder.